Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and hope you're having a really good time. So guys, this video I'm very interested. First of all, I was really excited to create this decathlon haul, and I recently went to Decathlon Pacific Mall, and because I'm actually preparing to go to a trek in Dehradun or Mussoorie, somewhere near that, in the month of February. But I thought that why not to share with you what all stuff I got for the trekking and for just touristing other places in Dehradun and Mussoorie. So the first item which I want to show you is this beautiful padded jacket from Decathlon. It was just of 1,000 rupees, and you can use it for trekking. You can use it for you can wear it outside just for your casual lunches also in winters when it's not too cold, like too cold. But when it's normally within 10 to 20 degrees Celsius, you can wear this jacket. It's a padded jacket, and I love the make of it. My favorite buy. This is a beautiful wind cheater jacket. You can see. I love the color of it. Firstly, that's the reason I got it. It's a wind cheater jacket which is very heavy than the first jacket I showed you, and you can use it in high mountain treks also because वहाँ पे बहुत ठंड होती है. So it's got fleece inside, and बाहर से it is pretty heavy. You can see it's very heavy, and it will keep you very warm. So this is a typical wind cheater jacket which will protect you from the very speedy winds in the mountains. So this was of 3,000 rupees. The item is this very cute cap, because I'll be going in the month of February to Dehradun, Mussoorie, and I thought why not take a cute cap? I don't like wearing those woolen caps, so I thought why not take a cute cap like this. It's got fleece and it's very warm. It will keep your ears warm, and it will protect you from the winds also. Guys, the fourth item is this yoga shirt which you can wear in winters when you go to the gym, or you can go to any place you exercise. So this is in fact pretty loose also. In fact, even pregnant women, while exercising yoga, they can also wear this shirt, and it's of 700 rupees. I got it for 700 bucks, and I actually love the dark grey color of it. It's very loose, very cozy, and pretty loose also, and we can wear it obviously, but even pregnant women, which if they are exercising, they can also wear it. It will be very comfortable for them. The fifth item which I want to show you is this very cute coral color t-shirt or shirt which you can wear to the gym, and its MRP is 600 rupees, but I got it for 300 because it was on sale. So it's for summers. You can wear it in gym and anywhere you like. I really like the color of it, that's why I got it, and I think you can very well pair it with reddish lowers or black or anything. And the next item is these gloves. These are ski gloves, and I got them for 400. These are L size, and I thought कि इसकी ज़रूरत होगी because February के महीने में जा रही हूँ, and I don't really know कि देहरादून मसूरी में उस टाइम कितनी ठंड होती है, especially on the top of the hill, right? So but I thought कि okay, it's a good buy, and for future treks also it's quite good, and I will definitely wear it. And the next item is this towel, guys. It's pretty long, and it's a compact towel which I thought कि काम आ सकती है during swimming or anything like that, and I really liked it. It was pretty compact as its description says, and it was only of 500 rupees. And again, my favorite buys is the socks. They are very thick, guys. They are very thick, you can see, and they are used for hiking. क्योंकि जब मैंने सेल्समैन जो था उससे मैंने पूछा कि मुझे ना हाइकिंग के लिए चाहिए, तो उसने मुझसे पूछा कि कौन सी ट्रैक आप जा रहे हो, एंड आई सेड देहरादून मसूरी, तो उसने मुझे यही चीज़ रिकमेंड की स्पेसिफिकली. So guys, they are above ankle length, and they are very thick. All of these products I got, I just wanted to show it to you because since I'll be going for a trek and all of that, and I just wanted to show you that what all things I got for the trek, and I didn't have time to wear them. I'm sorry. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please put a like and subscribe to my channel, and please share as much as you can. And I'm really overwhelmed with the response I'm getting on this channel. Thank you so much for your comments and everything. And guys, and have a really amazing new year 2021. And I'll be definitely putting up another video with when I go to Dehradun and Mussoorie and the treks which I go and the other places which I go. So definitely I'll be wearing these things, the products which I got from Decathlon over there, and I'll be putting another video after that. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.